We're here walking in the streets of Prague, no? The capital city of the Czech Republic. See, no? Grabe mga building dito. Nakakalula yung mga building. Super ganda, no? We just took off from yung tram. Diba? Tingnan mo. Super ganda. So, we decided to get yung 3-day na pass for 700 pesos. Unlimited. May Pilipino dito. Kabayan. Taga Pilipinas, taga Pilipino. Taga Philippines ba kayo? Tama? Ang ganda. Grabe. No? Super ganda talaga. Oh. Here. Super. Saan? Saan ako? Change. Very nice, huh? The center of Prague, no? Czech Republic. This is the last leg of our European tour before we take off to Turkey 2 days from now. Sige. Meron pa akong 30 seconds kasi tapusin eh. Teka, sandali lang. Kuha mo na picture. Magandang view dito. This side corner. Okay, kuha tayo muna mga shots. So, this parang intersection siya, no? What is this street ba? What is this one? Ano? Hanapin pa namin sa internet. Ah, galing. By accident lang? Ah, yan.
Things to see.
Okay.